Hey, what's going on, everybody? How y'all doing? This is Smooth Productions. Check this out. I took Facebook app off my phones because I don't want to be when I'm out in the public. I don't want to be on Facebook. Unfortunately, I have Messenger on because family close, my sons and my daughters, they only contact me through Facebook Messenger. Unfortunately, and my significant other only contacts me through Facebook uh, Messenger. Unfortunately, but other than that, I'm only on Messenger now to hear when people want to network with modeling and the music industry and stuff like that. I don't want to hear about your personal life. I don't want to hear what happens between closed doors. I really don't care. That's none of my business. With that said, until January, I doubt if I'm gonna do any photo or video shooting projects other than the occasional Wilding Wednesday karaoke at the RL Lounge at 1080 Broadway in Brooklyn. I don't think I'm going to be attending every single Wednesday. I think I will attend like every other Wednesday. It's at 1080 Broadway in Brooklyn. Doors open at 6 p.m. Other than that, I doubt if I will be doing any photo or video projects until next February. And next February, that's Runway 7 at Sony Hall. I'm waiting for them to send me my press pass information. And that's the next thing I plan to be attending. I am not I am not doing any Halloween photography or videography. I am not doing any Thanksgiving parade, anything like that, photography or videography. I am not doing any Christmas photography or videography because I'm taking a break. So I'm not really doing anything except casual photography, casual videography until February when I do Runway 7. Other than that, I'll probably just be doing my Wild and Wednesday karaoke every other Wednesday. Health wise limited. Other than that, nothing. I'm just taking a break from everything. So y'all take care. Yeah, I unfortunately I still have Instagram on my phone. Oh boy, I'm just sitting here. I'm actually just laying here relaxing. Just doing nothing. See how quiet it is. This is where you don't you're not all up over the place. You see, my messenger is not going off. I'm not all over Facebook acting crazy. I'm not people ain't nobody yelling or nothing like that. See, this is what life's about. Nice, peaceful, and quiet. Y'all take care. Y'all have a safe and blessed day. I'm out.